with me two cycling enthusiasts, Peter Boller and his sister Anita. Hi and welcome.
Hi.
How you going, guys?
I'm good.
Peter, what have you been doing with the Tour Down Under?
I've been volunteering for Cancer Council,
Yeah?
distributing sunscreen and also collecting donations for them
All right.
at almost every single stage. So
Wow.
I've been riding through each stage at the moment.
Have you?
Through.
Yeah, I was going to ask you, how's your cycling going?
Oh, very well. I'm getting into A grade for track at Edwardstown now. So
Wow.
going against some of the higher profile guys.
Congratulations, well done.
Thank you.
And Anita, what about you? What have you been doing this week?
Okay, so I've been basically up in the office and in the dining room, but I've been meeting all the cyclists the whole time.
Yeah.
And keeping cool, so it's been really good.
So what's your favourite bit about the cycling, do you
I
think?
know, just watching all the guys.
Watching all the guys, eh?
Yes.
Okay, terrific. And what, you've been here at the Hilton here or elsewhere
Yeah,
on the
just
tracks?
in the Hilton here, and then today with the kids mini tour, watching all the little kids and everything.
Yeah?
Yeah.
So will you be doing this again next year?
Yes, definitely.
Thank you, guys.
No worries.
No worries.
St Kilda in Melbourne. What a result, and you'd have loved to win in that sprint, Robbie.
Oh, that was just fantastic to watch. The way the Lotto team lined it up for Andre Greipel, line them up and knock them down. It's like clockwork watching these guys. They're so controlled, so smooth. They take him to where he's got to be. And when he opens it up, he puts on the gas. He just rides him out of the wheel. There was no answer to his power. There's Simon Gerrans right at the front. He's looking...